Hello friends, today we're going to clean the brew group of our coffee machine and apply grease to it for lubrication. So first we'll take out the water container, and after that we'll open the brew group door and the instruction that says push. We'll press that and take our brew group out of the machine. Now to do clean it with cold water, you have to keep in mind not to use hot water at all. Use only cold water so the quality of the plastic doesn't get damaged, and we'll wash it properly from the top, from the bottom, and after washing, we need to let it dry. And keep in mind, do not wipe it with a cloth at all, otherwise the fibers can get into the machine and they may mix with the coffee. So we need to air dry it, and if you're in a bit of a hurry, I have a trick for that which I'll tell you later. While our brew group is drying, we'll clean the coffee machine with a slightly wet cloth. A damp cloth, we'll clean our machine properly. So the tip I was gonna tell you is this: you can use your hair dryer to dry the brew group faster, but make absolutely sure that we dry it only with cold air. Do not use hot air at all on the hair dryer. As you can see now, our brew group is completely dry, so we'll assemble it again. Before assembling it, we'll grease it. If needed, we should do greasing about every 2 months. Or if you feel it needs to be done earlier, you can do it earlier too. For greasing, first we'll apply grease to the main shaft, and after that we'll apply grease to the side rails. You can see that I'm applying grease properly to the main shaft. And you also need to keep in mind that you should use only food grade silicone grease. And this is the side rail, as you can see. So we'll also apply grease properly to the side rails. So now we've applied the grease. Now we need to assemble the machine again. First, we'll install our brew group, then close the door, reinstall the water container, and after that we can turn our machine on. Thank you very much for watching the video. If you like the video, please like it and subscribe to the channel.